Hi there! Welcome to this video. Today, we will talk about something that many men want to know. How to make a woman miss you badly, even if she's not interested right now. Maybe she lost feelings, maybe she's ignoring you, or maybe she never gave you a chance. But don't worry. After watching this video, you will know powerful but simple steps to make her think about you, miss you, and maybe even chase after you. And the best part? You don't need to be rich, handsome, or famous to do it. All you need is a good strategy, a strong mind, and a little patience. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me keep creating content that benefits you, and it also signals to the platform that this information is worth sharing. So, can I count on your support? Let's get started. Step 1. Give space immediately. The first step is simple but very important. Give her space. When a woman is not interested, most men do the opposite. They chase, text a lot, beg for attention, or try to explain their feelings. This pushes her even further away. It makes her feel overwhelmed and bored. You must do the opposite. Disappear for some time. Go quiet. Give her time to wonder where you are and what you're doing. This silence is powerful. It creates curiosity. If she doesn't hear from you, she might begin to think about you. She might miss your voice or wonder if you've moved on. This space plants the first seed of desire. Step 2. Become unpredictable. Next, stop being too available or predictable. When someone always knows what you're doing, they don't feel excited. You must bring a little mystery into the picture. Do new things. Share different parts of your life on social media. Maybe you're learning something new, going somewhere new, or spending time with new people. Show that your life is full. When she sees that you're living your life without needing her, it creates a little shock in her mind. She starts asking, "Why isn't he chasing me? Why does he look so happy without me?" That question will burn in her thoughts, and that's exactly what you want. Step 3. Level up your life. This is the biggest weapon, self-improvement. If you want a woman to miss you, you must become the kind of man that is hard to forget. Focus on your body, mind, and purpose. Start going to the gym, read books, learn a skill, improve your looks, dress better, and make your life exciting. Women are attracted to growth. When she sees that you're becoming stronger and more confident, she will feel something. Even if she wasn't interested before, she may think, "Wow, he's not the same guy anymore." That's when interest starts to return. Step 4. Stop trying to impress her. This part is hard for many men. You must stop acting like she is the prize. Don't try too hard to be funny, smart, or sweet. Don't try to show off or prove something. It's better to stay calm, cool, and collected. When you act like she is everything, she starts to feel like she has all the power. But if you show that you are okay without her, she starts to see you as strong. This reverse psychology makes her start wondering about you, and wondering leads to missing you. Step 5. Use social media smartly. Today, social media is a powerful tool. You don't need to send her messages. You can speak through your posts. But be careful. This is not about showing off fake success. Instead, show progress. Share a photo of your workout, your vacation, your new skills, or fun times with friends. Don't post sad quotes or lonely pictures. Post things that make her feel you are living fully. Even if she doesn't like or comment, believe me, she is watching. Every woman watches in silence. And when she sees you're glowing without her, she will feel something change inside. Step 6. No contact, the most powerful tool. Now let's talk about no contact. This is a proven method. If a woman loses interest or says she needs space, go fully silent. Don't call, don't text, don't reply. Nothing. Go quiet for at least 30 to 45 days. During this time, work on yourself. Become better every day. Many men break no contact because they miss her. But the truth is, if you stay strong, she will start to feel your absence. She will begin to ask, "Why is he not texting? Has he forgotten me?" This creates deep emotional discomfort in her, and that's what makes her miss you. Step 7. Show emotional control. Women test men. Sometimes she will act cold or say things to make you jealous. Stay calm. Do not react. Emotional control is sexy. When you don't get angry, sad, or desperate, she sees that you are different. You're not like other men who panic. This makes her respect you, and respect leads to attraction. If she cannot break your peace, she will be drawn to you. Step 8. Mystery plus absence equals desire. Think of this simple formula: mystery plus absence equals desire. When you are not always around, and when she doesn't know everything about your life, her mind starts to imagine. The human brain wants to solve puzzles, and if you become a puzzle to her by going silent and becoming better, she will become curious. Curiosity turns into missing. Missing turns into obsession. Step 9. Be ready to walk away. Here's something powerful. A woman will only truly miss you when she feels she might lose you. If she knows you're always waiting, always loyal, and always chasing, she has no fear. But when you show that you're willing to walk away, that you're okay with life without her, that's when she feels afraid. That fear creates missing. So don't be afraid to move on. You must be ready to lose her to truly win her back. Step 10. Let time do its work. Finally, be patient. Real missing takes time. You can't force it. Let her feel the silence. Let her compare you to other men. Let her remember the good times. If you follow the steps above, she will miss you. It may take days, weeks, or even months. But if you stay consistent, it will happen. Focus on your life, stay mysterious, keep quiet, and let time do the magic. So now you know how to make any woman miss you, even if she's not interested. Remember, the secret is not in chasing or begging. The secret is in becoming. Become the best version of yourself. Become stronger, smarter, and more confident. Show her, without saying a word, that your value doesn't depend on her attention. When you disappear and grow, she will feel your absence deeply. And when that happens, she will start to miss you badly. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. We will be sharing more powerful tips to help you win in love, dating, and life. Until next time, stay strong, stay smart, and always be the prize.